Sauvignon Blanc is one of the world's most widely planted wine grapes. It's also the most popular wine pairing for sushi and even asparagus. Today, we're diving into the crisp, refreshing world of Sauvignon Blanc. So whether you're a total newbie or just looking to expand your wine knowledge, this video is for you. Welcome to Wine Basics by Philip Pinot, where we create wine education videos for beginners and wine lovers. History. Sauvignon Blanc is believed to have originated in the Bordeaux region of France. Records of its cultivation date back to at least the 18th century. During the 19th century, Sauvignon Blanc continued to be a staple in the French wine industry, spreading to other parts of France, especially in the Loire Valley. The name Sauvignon Blanc is derived from the French words sauvage, which means wild, and blanc, which means white. This reflects its early growth as a wild vine in southwest France. Family tree. One of the parent grapes of Sauvignon Blanc is Traminer, also known as Sauvignon. This is an ancient grape variety believed to have originated in the Alpine regions of France. As a parent grape, Sauvignon Blanc and Cabernet Franc are parents to the popular red wine grape Cabernet Sauvignon. As a descendant, Sauvignon Gris is a pink skin mutation of Sauvignon Blanc, but tends to produce richer and more aromatic wines than its parent. Single varietal or blended. Sauvignon Blanc is highly celebrated as a single varietal wine, especially in the Loire Valley of France and New Zealand. However, in Bordeaux, Sauvignon Blanc is often blended with Semillon and sometimes Muscadel to produce the dry Bordeaux Blanc, as well as the sweet styles of Sauternes and Barsac. Sauvignon Blanc is often blended with Semillon in Australia as well. Color. Sauvignon Blanc is typically characterized by its pale straw color, especially for young, unoaked styles. As they age, Sauvignon Blanc can take on a slightly deeper lemon yellow color. The type of climate also affects the color of Sauvignon Blanc wine. In cooler climates like New Zealand, they may exhibit a slight greenish tint. In warmer climates like California, they can have a deeper yellow color. Sweetness profile. Sauvignon Blanc is predominantly made in a dry style, meaning that it has little to no residual sugar remaining after fermentation, resulting in a crisp and refreshing taste. In certain regions, especially in the Sauternes region of France, Sauvignon Blanc is used to produce sweet and dessert wine styles. These wines are typically affected by noble rot or Botrytis cinerea, which concentrates the flavors of honey, apricot, and orange marmalade in a rich and luscious dessert wine. These dessert wines can have a residual sugar content of 120 grams per liter. Acid profile. Sauvignon Blanc is known for its high acidity, which is a hallmark of the grape. This is apparent in its crisp, refreshing character and makes it a food-friendly wine. Whether from a cool climate or a warm climate, Sauvignon Blanc's acidity is lively and vibrant. Tannin structure. Sauvignon Blanc is characterized by its very low tannin structure, which is typical for white wines. Alcohol. Generally, Sauvignon Blanc tends to have moderate alcohol levels, typically ranging from 11.5 to 13.5%. In cooler wine-growing regions, such as Loire Valley in France and Marlborough in New Zealand, Sauvignon Blanc leans towards 11.5 to 12.5% alcohol. In warmer regions such as California or Australia, Sauvignon Blanc can get up to 12.5 to 13.5% alcohol. Body. The body of Sauvignon Blanc wine is typically described as light to medium, making it an easy-to-drink wine. Cooler climates tend to create lighter-bodied Sauvignon Blanc, whereas warmer climates exhibit more medium to slightly full-bodied wines. While less common, some Sauvignon Blanc wines are aged in oak barrels. This style, sometimes referred to as a Fumé Blanc style, can impart a richer, rounder body, making the wine feel fuller. Winemaking. Winemaking techniques for Sauvignon Blanc begin at harvest. Harvesting early preserves its natural high acidity and produces more green, herbaceous Sauvignon Blanc. Harvesting later can produce more riper tropical aromas and flavors. Sauvignon Blanc is most commonly fermented in stainless steel tanks to preserve the freshness and vibrant character of the wine. However, some Sauvignon Blanc, such as Fumé Blanc, are fermented in oak barrels, adding richer texture, depth, and oak nuances. Some winemakers will choose to leave the wine on lees, or dead yeast cells, for a period after fermentation to add a creamy mouthfeel and bread-like flavors. This is known as sur-lie aging. Malolactic fermentation converts sharp malic acid to softer lactic acid, resulting in a softening of the wine acidity. However, this process is typically avoided or only partially used with Sauvignon Blanc production to preserve the grape's natural high acidity. Styles. Sauvignon Blanc's versatility allows it to be made into a wide range of styles. Classically, Sauvignon Blanc is known for its dry, crisp, clean, and mineral-driven style often seen from the Loire Valley regions of Sancerre, Puy-Fumé, and Menetou-Salon. Also from France is the Bordeaux Blanc, which is oftentimes a blend of Sauvignon Blanc, Semillon, and Muscadel that displays a fuller and richer texture than the Loire Valley styles. Sauvignon Blanc is also known for its New Zealand style, which is more bold and aromatic with more intense flavors. Less common, there is the richer oak-aged style of Fumé Blanc from California. And last but not least, Sauvignon Blanc can be made into late harvest sweet wines, most famously from Sauternes and Barsac. Aromas and flavors. Sauvignon Blanc is an expressive white wine grape variety with versatile aromas and flavors. When drinking Sauvignon Blanc, you often encounter citrus fruits such as lemon, lime, and grapefruit. Oftentimes, you'll find green apple and pear flavors, which contribute to its refreshing flavor profile. Warmer regions will exhibit more tropical fruit aromas and flavors such as passion fruit, guava, and pineapple. In some regions, such as New Zealand, you may come across grassy notes along with green bell pepper or vegetal aromas. In other regions like Loire Valley, you'll often find notes of minerality, crushed rocks, and flint. Ageability. Sauvignon Blanc is typically best if consumed within a few years of the vintage due to its fresh characteristics. It is prized for its bright acidity, fresh citrus, and herbaceous flavors, and sometimes grassy notes, all of which are most pronounced in its youth. In some high-quality regions such as Sancerre in the Loire Valley, some Sauvignon Blancs can develop additional complexity and tertiary notes when aged. Lastly, dessert versions of Sauvignon Blanc, like those made in Sauternes, can age well for several decades. In fact, some Sauternes can age 50 to 100 years. Popular regions. Sauvignon Blanc is grown in many wine regions around the world, each imparting its own unique characteristics to the wine. In France, the Loire Valley is the prominent region for world-famous Sauvignon Blanc. Sancerre is classically known for its flinty, mineral-driven style. Puy-Fumé is similar in style with an oftentimes smoky finish. Staying in France, the famed region of Sauternes creates age-worthy, honeyed sweet wines, blending Sauvignon Blanc with Semillon and sometimes Muscadel. Moving to New Zealand, Marlborough is the key Sauvignon Blanc region known for its intense flavors of passion fruit, gooseberry, and herbaceous notes. In the United States, Napa Valley makes both oaked and unoaked styles. Sonoma County produces a variety of styles, often expressing flavors of lime, green apple, and melon. In South Africa, Stellenbosch makes Sauvignon Blanc with tropical fruit and herbaceous notes. Chile's Casablanca Valley and Australia's Adelaide Hills are both notable and respectable regions for this versatile wine. In Italy, Friuli Venezia Giulia produces an elegant, aromatic, and mineral-driven Sauvignon Blanc. And in Austria's region of Styria, Sauvignon Blanc here has a unique profile that exhibits green and tropical fruit with sometimes a touch of spice. Food pairings. Sauvignon Blanc's versatility makes it a great pairing for a wide range of dishes. As an appetizer, Sauvignon Blanc is a good starter with bruschetta and ceviche. Seafood dishes such as oysters, grilled fish, and shellfish complement the crisp acidity of Sauvignon Blanc. Squeeze some lemon on these dishes. Sauvignon Blanc also does well with salads and vegetables, especially those with citrus or herbal dressings. P.S. Only a few wines pair well with asparagus, and Sauvignon Blanc is one of them. Sauvignon Blanc's classic cheese pairing is goat cheese, but Sauvignon Blanc's crispness goes perfectly with the saltiness of feta. Sauvignon Blanc is also a go-to for several Asian cuisines, such as sushi, Thai, and Vietnamese dishes. Several of these foods contain lime, lemongrass, and cilantro, which complement Sauvignon Blanc's flavors. Lastly, lightly sauced pasta, such as a lemon garlic shrimp pasta, will pair seamlessly with Sauvignon Blanc. And that's your beginner's guide to Sauvignon Blanc. Comment below your favorite Sauvignon Blanc producer so we can go out and try to find it.